The Queen's Highway was named for and formally opened by Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II in February 1983. At that time, it was only a gravel chip paved road with no street lamps and no houses at all along it. Before 1983, East End and North Side districts were connected only by Frank Sound Road. There is a monument at the north side end of the highway where the monarch officially opened the route and made a formal speech. Over the years, utility poles have been erected, the road paved with asphalt, houses have built and a few side streets and tracks leading off the highway. But it has never been properly upgraded with shoulders, making it dangerous for cyclists and leisure walkers and joggers who frequently use it. It's always been a 50-mile-per-hour zone, and recently the area where resorts have been built, the speed limit reduced to 35 miles per hour. There have been 2 notable traffic crash fatalities along it in its earlier years, incidentally both of whom were schoolmates of this channel's owner. A few years ago, there was a murder committed as well early one morning. Sadly, a case of a mentally disturbed woman killed her own daughter. In spite of the constant development along the highway, there are still nice secluded beach spots where locals and tourists alike like to camp or hang out. One can still spot agoutis, egrets, and iguanas in the bushes along it, with a few feral cats and the occasional stray dog. Thanks for watching. Give a like and subscribe. Follow on Facebook and Twitter.